LinkedIn marketing tips to boost your business in 2022. LinkedIn has transformed into a promising channel to drive traffic, generate quality leads, build thought leadership, and more. With a well-executed LinkedIn marketing strategy, you can build your brand and establish long-lasting relationships with your prospects. Besides, LinkedIn is an excellent platform for crafting brand visibility and nurturing qualified leads by posting engaging content and participating in industry discussions. Check these 15 tips on how to boost your business with LinkedIn marketing in 2022. 1. Search highly targeted customers and connections. LinkedIn provides the best customer targeting options in the field of digital marketing and advertisement. Try to be specific while determining your target audience regarding industry, company, or people you think may want to buy your products or services. For example, if you are selling employee scheduling software to small businesses in the US, then you can configure your advertisement to only be displayed to companies with less than 100 employees based on the US, and that too only those people having the title of the HR manager. 2. Stay on prospects' radar. Once you have made the first contact and introduced yourself to your customers, you have to ensure that your first contact should not be the last one. You have to be on your customers' radar using LinkedIn. Post daily and weekly status updates. LinkedIn blog posts to keep appearing in yourself and your customers' network. You can also send monthly emails to your potential prospects regarding the problems you can solve for them and the results you have got for other prospects. You can take any different practical approach on your own. The basic idea is to stay in touch with your target audience always. 3. Enrich your email marketing list. You can boost your email marketing list through LinkedIn. You can write a letter to all your connections, thanking them for connecting LinkedIn and inviting them to join your email marketing list. LinkedIn has a unique feature that allows you to send a message to 50 people at once. In your message, provide a direct link where your contacts can sign up for your email. You must provide something in return. Mention what they will get by signing up for your email list. 4. Post quality actionable content. Posting high-quality content on LinkedIn is one of the best ways to succeed in LinkedIn marketing. To make high-quality content, make sure it is highly targeted, and it should check 2 checkboxes. First, your post should provide a solution to a problem or how to be better at their jobs. Second, it should help to establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche. All these will lead to the business if you provide value to your audience through your content. 5. Try to go viral. One of the most potent LinkedIn tools available is posting directly on LinkedIn. If any of your posts begin to gain some attention and momentum, LinkedIn highlights your post in one of its categories. This can help the post to get viral on LinkedIn and get hundreds of thousands of readers. It is an effective way to be more visible on LinkedIn while reaching your readers in an extensive way that would have been very difficult to do on your own blog or website. This approach is much more effective than posting your article links on LinkedIn. 6. Focus on employee advocacy. Get all your employees to create and complete their respective LinkedIn profiles. Once created and completed, optimize their profiles by adding apposite photos, related job history mentioning what's their role in your organization and how they help, and adding professional connections. To achieve this, you can dedicate a day in the week to set up and optimize everyone's LinkedIn account. You can even call a photographer to take good pictures that your employees shall post on their accounts. This will help you to establish your organization's brand on LinkedIn. 7. Leverage LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are another effective way to increase your reach and turn leads into customers. Try to join groups that are relevant to your target prospects. Joining groups will help you to listen to what your audience is talking about and looking for. It will also provide you an opportunity to interact and offer any advice or solution. This way, you will increase your network. You can even message the members of a group directly even if you are not connected. You will notice that you have grown your network in no time and made a relationship with potential clients without spending a penny. 8. Create your own LinkedIn group. Creating your own LinkedIn group is one of the best ways to find potential prospects. Start with creating and setting up your own LinkedIn group. Now join as many groups as you can where your prospects are. Now in all the groups that you have joined, go through their members to find prospects. You can further filter them down based on a specific job title or any other factor that can help you sort them out. Now, invite all the filtered members to join your group. 9. Create an effective company page. With everything else, it is also essential to have a consistent and updated presence of your brand with its own LinkedIn page. Make sure the images, colors, and content align with your organization's website and other social media platforms. Ensure that your company's LinkedIn page is updated regularly. This will keep you active and running on LinkedIn. Bar yourself from getting into a habit of updating your profile once in a blue moon. Creating a LinkedIn profile and not maintaining it is much worse than not having one. 10. Get your custom URL. Claim a custom URL for your brand's LinkedIn page and ensure that it includes their name. This is important when you have contact with a lot of potential prospects. This is important while doing business and establishing your brand. Because when you are to meet with someone you have never met, they are likely going to Google about your brand to learn more about it. Having your custom URL increases the possibility of your brand's LinkedIn page ranking at the top of the search results. 11. Build connections and relationships. LinkedIn is a social network designed for professionals to connect with other professionals. And for a brand, it is not different. As a brand, you should connect with your prospects, referral partners, strategic partners, and other brands and business owners. Once you have made the connections, it is your responsibility to convert them into solid business relationships. These connections and relationships can help you in establishing your brand in the long run. 12. Collect data and be analytical. Marketing without data and research is highly unlikely to yield any results. The same goes for LinkedIn marketing. Marketing in LinkedIn without collecting viable data and analyzing them will put all your effort in waste. Creating and publishing hundreds of posts will go in vain. The LinkedIn Analytics tool LinkedIn provides you with detailed data on how your posts are performing. Have a look at those data, analyze them, and find out in which area you can improve. 13. Use LinkedIn marketing tools. Using LinkedIn marketing tools is a great way to propel your LinkedIn marketing efforts. When you wear multiple hats of doing different tasks with limited time and resources, you need to be resourceful with your marketing strategy. LinkedIn offers a suite of organic and paid marketing tools. 14. Optimize your company page. Whenever any of your connections or prospects visit your LinkedIn company page, they should see you as an established brand if you want them to be converted into potential leads. For that, you have to make sure that your LinkedIn company page is optimized. Start with the cover image. It is one of the first things that comes into notice when someone visits your page. Your cover image must be visually alluring, leaving an impression about your company's mission, vision, and culture on people visiting your page. For the description part, make sure your description is up to date, mentioning all the recent recognition and awards. 15. Make use of sponsored updates. Posting sponsored content on LinkedIn is similar to other social media platforms. Still, the critical difference is the ability to narrow down the demography or the target audience to minor details like job title, skills, company size, and groups. You can target your audience directly without competing against unrelated companies. Sponsored content can be effectively used to promote thought leadership to target your prospects with an appropriate call to action. Nowadays, people don't want to see typical advertisements, they want something valuable for free.